Hello, bros. I'm Steven Wangsa. I live in Indonesia, and I will tell you about Nerf. I hate this video because I have replayed it for about 6 times. I want to show my face, you little bitch. Right. If you want to reload, press this button. You see? Here will go. You see the hole that they haven't filled yet? Fill it. Sorry, the camera was blue. Right? You fill it with this. Use suction dart and you can attach to some mirror like you. Right. Stop playing around. Let's make sure all of them is the same. If not, it will stuck. Right now, insert it like this. Already. Now I'll show you to shoot it. You will attach the wall. Oh yeah, I forgot. And if you want to shoot all this out, this the gray one, all this. See, as you can see, I'm gonna shoot this. There, right? Just at that edge, it was so strong. As they are strong. You see? Just fell down. Alright, I pull it now. Time to take a switch. Going inside. You see? It was slow. I'm gonna take it because I'm already starting my video for a while. You see? Alright. Now, goodbye, bros. I have discussed and I have a new Nerf. Right, say good.